Eastern Shore showed the strongest gain in prices of 14.4% compared to last year. It's Friday, February 9th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Overall, there are 1,280 homes for sale, reflecting fewer again this week. 84 properties are coming soon, just a smidge up this report. 168 came to the market since last week, just over a 12% rise from that week. 73 went under contract, falling 1 this week. 93 moved to pending, rising 19.4% this week. 85 sold at 96.9% list to sold ratio, and days before contract are now up to 46 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Whitman for $2,575,000. There are 120 rentals available for lease on the shore at $2,198 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, February 9th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.